Question 11. If the graphs of function and its inverse intersect, would the two graphs intersect on this line? Okay, so let's see an example lah. Okay, if this is your Cartesian plane, y and x. Okay, let's take a straight line graph. Okay, let's take this graph. Okay, let's say the graph is like this lah. Okay, if this is fx, the graph of f inverse x would be the reflection let's say just a bit. Okay, let's say this is our fx. Right, so if this is fx, okay, if this purple color line is your fx, the inverse function f inverse would be reflection of this line about this line. So when you reflect your graph about this line, it will look like this. Okay, it will look something like this. Okay, so this will be our f inverse x. It's always the reflection on y equals to x. Okay, your inverse function and your function are reflections of each other about this line, always. Okay, so now if you realize, they intersect each other at the line. Okay, so no matter what kind of graph it is, okay, this is a straight line graph. Let's look at another example. If it's a curved graph, okay, we erase this one first. If it's a curved graph like this, okay, so the reflection of this graph is going to look something like this. So this is your fx. Oops. If this is fx, this will be the f inverse x. Okay, it will always reflect about this line. So now this graph also intersects at the line y equals to x. So we can conclude that if the function and its inverse function intersect each other, they will intersect on this line. So the answer is yes. Okay, it will intersect on the line y equals to x. Okay, then what is the possibility for the two graphs to intersect on other lines? Okay, so let's see if you have two graphs. Okay, if you have a graph of, let's say, 1 over x. Okay, this is graph 1 over x. The inverse of this graph will also be 1 over x. Because if you reflect it about this line, it is going to reflect on the same axis. Okay, so this point, if you reflect about this line, it will be here. And this point, if you reflect about this line, it will be here, and so on. So they intersect at y equals to x, but what I'm trying to say here is, these lines, both these graphs, they intersect each other. So your fx and f inverse intersect each other. So is it possible for these two graphs to intersect on other lines? Yes, they will intersect each other. So the second question is also yes. You can say yes, they intersect each other when fx and f inverse x are the same. Okay, so fx will be 1 over x, f inverse x is 1 over x as well. So in this case, they will intersect each other. Okay, there are many graphs like this, where the fx and f inverse is the same graph. So in this case, yes, they will intersect each other.